This is a video that's going to help you simplify an expression by combining like terms. Only in this expression, you'll have to use the distributive property first and then combine the like terms. Here's an example of the type of expression you'll be simplifying. The expression reads -3 times the quantity of 4x squared minus 5x plus 3, and then after I do that, I have to add 8x squared minus 7x minus 16. Now to do this problem, the first thing I have to do is distribute the -3 through the parentheses. And just like before, I'm going to use the area model to do that. Since I'm multiplying one thing by three things inside the parentheses, I'm going to make a 1 by 3 generic rectangle. On the left side of my generic rectangle, I'm going to put what's outside the parentheses, which in this case is -3. On the bottom of my generic rectangle, I'm going to put what's inside the parentheses, which in this case is 4x squared, -5x, and plus 3. Now, to do the distributive property, I'm going to multiply to find the area of each of these small little rectangles. The first rectangle has dimensions of -3 and 4x squared. When I multiply those two together, I get -12x squared. The middle rectangle has dimensions of -3 and -5x. When I multiply those two together, I get 15x. The far right rectangle has dimensions of -3 and +3. When I multiply those two together, I get -9. Now to combine the like terms, I'm going to use what I have inside my generic rectangle, which is basically after I distributed the -3 through the parentheses, and I'm going to take -12x squared and combine that with my other x squared, which is 8x squared. So my x squared family has -12x squared plus 8x squared. They work against each other. The negative wins the battle, and it wins by 4. So I have -4x squared in my x squared family. My x family has 15x and -7x. When I combine those, they work against each other again, and the positive wins the battle, and it wins by a total of 8. So my x family is plus 8x. In my numbers family, I have -9 and -16. Again, they work together. When they work together, I add them, and since they're both negative, my answer is going to be negative. So my answer for that is -25. Now to write this expression, when I combine like terms and simplify it, I'm going to have -4x squared plus 8x minus 25.